Hello designers, creators, and everyone who wants to start making amazing fashion illustrations for future garments. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use fashion flat body template on your tablet. There are many apps on your app store you can find. However, I would offer today to start with Sketchbook. So, to start you need to download this app and flat body template. Link to download through the body real form template you can find if scroll down a bit. It is placed in the description. The Sketchbook app, and first you can see the plain page with nothing on it. Add the template first. Zoom up a bit for the comfortable use. For this video, I don't need the side view, so I'm deleting the template side with the eraser tool. You should decrease the transparency of the template and lock it. Secondly, adding the new layer for drawing above. So now we can draw without risking to spoil the template. If you are just starting to draw, I offer to use some tips, like the magnet tool. I'm drawing the jumpsuit from my store. To draw the borders, I prefer to use the pencil tool. Turned on magnet tool helps me to keep the line more straight. When the main borders are finished, add another layer above, but lock this layer first. To dye the illustration, I use the brush tool with less opacity to make my design fully cover it. After using a erasing tool, simply delete all above the illustration's borders. Since all other layers locked, I'm not worried of making mistakes. Getting dye with detailed making my illustrations more vivid. Lock the colored layer and switch with the previous one. Add new one above for the fabric details. I will add gathering. Here we are. Illustration is done. Now we can use it with or without the template. Thank you for watching and let me know if you have questions.